everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can log into Bybit account, but before that please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, all you gotta do is open up your particular browser, type in Bybit or bybit.com, and this is how the search results gonna pop up. And if you look in the bottom, you will find this option of login. Simply have to tap on it and it will directly open up the login browser of yours. Now for the login purpose, you only need to provide your email address and your password and tap on login. You can also choose to tap on this or continue as my Google ID if you have used your Google, same ID for the sign up purpose, and you will directly get logged in since your password will be saved in your device and your account. And now if you do not remember your password, you can tap on this option of forgot password, where it will let you simply reset. You can choose email or mobile number, which one you prefer, to get the reset code. Tap on next, you will receive a reset code. Once you have done that, you will be able to add a new password. Make yourself a new password and log in with that. Otherwise, as I mentioned before, you can have option of Google and Apple. If you get with any of these information, you can tap on them directly and you will get logged in right away. So these are the options. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.